makes me wanna take the stairs. If you were here, we'd laugh about their vacation.
Get ko yung mga iniisip eh.
Like there's always someone who disapproves. They'll judge it like they know about me and you. And the verdict comes from those with nothing else to do. The jury's out, my choice is you. So don't you worry your pretty little mind. People throw rocks at things that shine, and life makes love look hard. The stakes are high.
Hi Ken, sabi ni Daniela. O, sabi mo hi. Kilala ko yun. Kilala mo yan? Hindi. Ano sabi mo? Ha? Happy birthday.
You never know what people have up their sleeves. Ghosts from your past gonna jump out at me, lurking in the shadows with their lip gloss smiles. But I don't care, 'cause right now you're mine. And you'll say, don't you worry your pretty little mind. People throw rocks at things that shine, and life makes love look hard. The stakes are high, the water's rough, but this love is ours. And it's not theirs to speculate if it's wrong, and your hands are tough, but they are where mine belong. And I'll fight their doubt and give you faith with this song for you. Cause I love the gap between your teeth, and I love the riddles that you speak, and any snide remarks from my father about you. No one's gonna know just us and the moon till the sun starts waking. Up's the only direction I see. As long as we keep this low, 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 low key. Low, low, love me.
Guys, mamaya pala ay may wish bus daw si Ken. Ano bang meron mamaya kay Ken? So, ayun guys, abangan nyo na lang. Ano po, or interview ata.
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. And I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night. And now I see daylight. I only see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. Like daylight is golden. Like daylight, you gotta step into the daylight and let it go. Just let it go.
Sana pina-xerox, sana pina-poster, sana pina-record, sana pina-slogan, sana pina-lap trend, sana pina-news track, sana pina-cover, sana pina-cheat sana pina-rally, sana pina-broadcast, sana pina-postcard.
Dapat sana pina-billboard mo.
I'll never get to find no one like you. People come and go sometimes.
Ang number.
Call
7
me
is
your favorite
1. Ako na ikaw.
last time. So I have swallowed all accepted the end of you and I. But what if I miss you for the
6 is... Patawad po!
Is it you say daddy's home, home for me? And I know you've been waiting for this loving day. You know your daddy's home and it's time to play. Yeah, so you ain't
I'm wide awake. Yeah, I'm falling from the night, crashing from the high.
when we're out in a crowd, laughing loud and nobody knows why. When we're lost at a club, getting drunk, and you give me that smile. Going home in the back of a car and your hand.
Da, mauna na ako.
Sabay tayo, Baliw. Ayos na. Ready na kami.
When we're done making love and you look up and give me those eyes.
React ka pa sa lahat ng chat. Haha.
Siyempre, nagalit
Cause
naman sa
all
mama eh.
I know
Parang may crush na ako kay Justin.
I see is you and the small things you do. When you call me at night while you're out getting high.
Go direct.
with your friends. Every high, every bye, every I love you you've ever said. You've ever said.
Kami, lahat naman tayo gusto lang natin na
Love the
mahalin tayo, di ba? Ng mga, for who we are.
Oh, what remind me why I fell for you. And when
This SB19 member is going real crazy cray.
missing you, I close my eyes and all I see is you and the small things you do.
Kaya titig na titig ah.
When we're
Adi,
done
mas
making
mahiper. Sobrang dumis ng mukha.
and give me those eyes.
Kung makita mo ngayon,
Cause all
Kaya ko pong manakit ng amo.
things that you do are what remind me why I fell for you. And when we're apart and I'm missing you, I close my eyes and all I see is you and the small things you do.
Parang masarap sa pakiramdam na nakikita ang masaya si Ken.
All the small things you do.
Ikaw dyan, ano nasa isip mo? Bakit mo...
to hold your
Ikaw.
hand.
Matukan kaya kita.
I'm trying to be your man to the end of time. I'll do anything.
Bilang ang game na to, partner. Alam mo kung ang game na to, partner.
Hindi ko alam yan, partner. Kaya gusto ko makipagpakinggan mula sa mga bibig mo. Partner, ayaw mo na ba ako makasama, partner?
Just to be by your side. If your heart's on the line, you could take mine.
Actually, idea yun ni Ken na sabi niya magsama ako ng guitarist para hindi ako matakot sa stage.
I'd risk it all for you. I would swim across the sea just to show you.
You just want me to be beside you.
No, that's not true. That's not true.
Don't be jealous. I'm so jealousy.
If you're a girl, sino sa apat i-date mo? Siguro Justin. Mabait si Justin eh. Mabait si Justin, pogi. Siyempre, given naman yun. Pogi talaga si Justin, sobra.
Say you want the moon, watch me on a fly in a mountain you could point to. I wouldn't climb as crazy.
Ano na una? Yung orange na kulay o yung orange na pagkain? Feeling ko na una yung prutas. Kasi wala namang gamit bagay na orange, di ba? Kulay orange. Halaman. Pero parang nauna itong orange.
Prutas muna bago puno.
I'd risk it all.
Sasapok ko to si Ken eh. Sasapok ko to eh.
Saw so many pretty faces. Saw you. Now all I see is you. I'm coming for you. No, don't need these other pretty faces like I need you. And when you're mine in the world, there's gonna be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. One less lonely girl.
Oo, lumipas ang mga taon, ikaw pa rin. Sa tawanan at tiyakan, sa'kin ka pa rin. Kahit minsan alam kong sakit ako sa ulo, di ka papapigil, pinipili mo pa rin ako. Pagkaraniwang araw, binigyan mo ng hiwaga. Katang-isip lang dati, pero ngayon tunay na. Ang sarap magmahal, lalo na pag ikaw ang kasayaw. Giliw, ilapit mo sa akin yung labi. Gusto ka, dikit ka palagi. Marupok ako sa'yo.
Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na. Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng bulong, di ko papapalit, ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi bibilin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo ko. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin
aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigaw. O kamahalan, puso ko yung tangan sa iyong kagandahan. Hindi makayanan
Dito. Di ba tapos yung top mo?
Wala ko, di pa.
Sabi nila, kapag in love ka, tumitigil ang mundo mo. I never believed in love. I was deceived.
He's a proud dad. Leopard key.
Wala, hindi makita yung ano dyan. Ay, hindi makita yung ano, yung leather na. Parang bracelet na leather.
Na para bang siya ang handler ni Ja.
Manager ako ngayon.
Manager po kayo ni Ja. Wait, smart po kayo. Sorry.
Naka-close yung box mo.
Sorry, one more pala tayo.
Pwede mo i-close. Konti ka.
Okay. Sige po.
Ayan.
Quarter. Okay po.
Me close and don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale. And then take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer.
Sige.
Bakit ako daw?
Sa mundong nakakapagod, o ikaw ang aking pahinga. Kung magaan ang lahat, kapag nasisilayan ka na, kaya wag na mangamba. Walang dapat ipag-alala, palaging nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi. Dito sa iyong
You make Justin happy, come on.
Relax na rin.
Stage left exit. Yun pala yung abs. May dimple, no?
ako'y kinikilig. Bakit kayo malapit ako'y nanginginig? At nadarama ang puso na pumipintig. Natutuwa sa iyong tinig. O ito nga ba ang pag-ibig?
Just right for me.
Got your chemicals all in my veins. Feeling all the highs, feel all the pain. Let go of the wheel, it's the bullet lane. Now I'm seeing red, not thinking straight. Blurring all the lines, you intoxicate me, yeah. Just like nicotine, heroin, morphine. Suddenly I'm a fiend and you're all I need. Yeah, yeah, all I need. It's you, babe, and I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're the babe, just waiting to you, and no will never be the same. It's you, babe, and I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're the babe, just waiting to
Kasama niya si Ja. Kasama pa rin yung dalawa. Si Justin. Gumagala, nag-shopping yata.
Hindi nakapag-text ng text.
place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me
Hindi nakapag-text ng text.
wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on, man. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye. Bye. Bye everyone. Bye.
Kamukha tayo. Ako po yung nakaganon yung mga. Yung po yung akin.